I try to live the moment, and that is very difficult thing to do, because I make a commitment, and if I cannot make a commitment, then it is difficult, because commitment is obligation, and I don't want to live that life, but then somehow if the divine wants to do it, and then they will anyway do it. So anyway, God bless. Just one thing I want to repeat and repeat and repeat again is, I don't mind what philosophy I don't even care what philosophy you follow, what guru you follow, what religion you belong to, including atheism. Atheism to me is also a position. It is also fanatical like any other religion is. So you have to evaluate. Now you should not say, I am just ignorant. How can I be evaluate? What is the scale? The scale is, if that philosophy or guru talks about enriching your life, enriching the life, the material life, enriching the spiritual life, glorifying the body, and not running away from reality. These are some of the parameters that are useful for you to look at. And if you just get to the bottom line, you are the spirit which has manifested itself in the body. So if you understand that, then you will know the spirit is much more powerful than your atoms, than your particles. Then it can help you to transcend everything. So that's for now. God bless.